Thank you for taking time from your busy schedule to join us for the Oliver Motors walk-around video of a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew. My name is Dell, and I'm going to be showing you some of the great features this vehicle has to offer. Back in 1984, Dodge debuted the Caravan. They introduced American families to a new, extremely spacious, and very efficient vehicle. A couple years later, the Grand version was released. It was a huge hit and remained a strong seller for decades to come. Despite rivals that sprouted numerous vehicles like the Grand Caravan, very much like dandelions in the suburban lawn, the Grand Caravan still dominates today. The reason it's so successful is the great features like the alloy wheels you saw, the two-tone interior. They put that wood grain look to give it a little bit classier look. Power mirrors, power windows, and power locks, all easily accessible right there at the driver's fingertips. You did see that back button that vents them back windows. Comfortable big seats, a ton of room inside the vehicle. As I climb up on the left-hand side, your headlamp controls, easily accessible at the left hand of on the side of the column, your foot pedals, which will adjust brake and gas pedal back and forth. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, your Uconnect feature buttons. On the right-hand side, your cruise control. As we move on back, the toggle switch on the left-hand side is your windshield wipers, your brights, and your blinkers. A nice bright LED display, very easy to read no matter what time of day or night it is. A nice info center right between the two tags. Your shifter level, easily accessible up on the top. A nice big screen at the center stack that does have that backup camera. AM, FM, satellite radio, CD behind. Drop down from there, you have your climate controls, including heated steering wheel and heated front seats. A ton of storage inside this beautiful van. You'll see the little cubby there. Slide that door forward. You got another little cubby with your power accessory ports. Another little cubby behind with two cup holders right in the middle. Not one, but two glove boxes. Again, your USB port you can see in the back of that top one. And then a nice big glove box underneath right in front of the passenger seat. As we get out, the programmable garage door openers. This particular vehicle has power sliding doors and power rear assist. You can do all that right from that button or from your remote or by popping open the doors, which I'll show you here in just a minute. As we go to that side door, as you see, you just pull on that handle, it'll automatically open for you. A ton of room inside this vehicle. This does have the stow-n-go compartment, so the seats do fold down inside the door. Here's the button I was telling you about. So once you get inside, it's as easy as hitting that button and the door will automatically close for you. Once you're stopped, hit that button, it'll automatically open for you. The back seats, 3-person capability in the back, 2 in the middle, and the captain's chairs, 2 in the front. Like I said, the center row folds down to the floor. The back seat folds back into the floor in a 60-40 split. Just a ton of room in this gorgeous vehicle. Close that power sliding door. Move around to the back and pop open that rear assist gate. You'll see that backup camera right there. Again, the back seats do fold down. They fold down a little bit differently. First thing you do is you hit the number 1. That's all numbered here. Number 1 drops the headrest. Number 2, well, I should probably go to number 2. Number 2 will actually drop the seat. Number 3 releases it from the floor. And number 4 pulls that back and drops it right down inside. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 drops that back down, a nice level plateau. So you can take this minivan and basically make it like a pickup truck with a full-time topper if you did need to haul stuff also. It's not only a great passenger hauling vehicle, but also if you have stuff for work or stuff just basically for around the house, this is a multi-useful vehicle. That power assist rear gate, hit that button that dropped the rear gate down for you. We're going to move around to the front of the vehicle, pop open the hood, and take a look at this 3.6 liter motor. Back in 2011, Fiat took over the Chrysler product, put that 3.6 motor in. It's been their flagship motor ever since. Everything you need to check or fill is brightly colored up on top. Great safety features like crumple points, drop-away motor mounts, 5-mile-an-hour bumpers, front and rear, side impact beams, and of course airbags throughout. If you'd like to see more pictures, get more information, please join us at olivermotors.com.